everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the foggy lights. They look really ugly, and if we take a look on this side, I just cleaned it. They look nice and shiny. No sanding, it's a one-step polish. I'm going to use the buffer, and this is the ultimate. We're going to add some on the top of it. You just have to rub it in just like this, and you have to start it. This is the real time. Did not pause it or speed up. And as you can see, it's already started to look better. And I'm going to add, I added more compound, and we're going to do the second one. Once we're done with the cleaning, now we're going to use this wax and we're going to rub it in. And as you can see, within 2 minutes, the headlight, they look nice and clean. They look really nice. As you can see, the both lights, they look sparkling, shiny. Within 2 minutes, we are done. So within 5 minutes, we are done with the both headlights. So if you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.